quick video here. This is a bowl I just pulled out of the kiln. This is porcelain clay. And as you can see, it turned out okay. Pretty happy with it. What I did was I put Blue Rutile right around in here and on the inside. And then at the top, all the way up the top here and all the way down, I put Textured Turquoise. And I didn't go so far on the inside. I left it a little high out here. I've got a high-speed video attached to this to show you how I did it and the glazes I used. And then on top of the Textured Turquoise, I put Albany Slip Brown to get that nice little faded brown on it. You see that? Just a pretty little porcelain bowl, great little combo, a way to take 3 coats of honey flux laid down first, inside and out, and then I did that on here. Watch the quick video. Thanks for watching.